Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to add a Left University Life event on Facebook. Whether you're marking the end of your academic journey or just updating your profile, this guide will help you do it with ease. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the text box that says, "What's on your mind?" This is where you usually start when creating a post. Next, scroll down through the options until you find the section labeled Life Events. Tap on it. This is where Facebook lets you highlight significant milestones in your life. Once you're in the Life Events section, tap on Education. This will bring up various options related to your academic history. From here, select Left School University. This option is specifically designed for situations like yours. Now it's time to fill in the details. Enter the name of the university or school you left and any other relevant information, such as the date. Once you've added all the necessary details, tap Next. You'll then have the option to write a description about this life event. This step is optional but can be a great way to share more about your experience or why this moment is significant to you. When you're done, tap Post. And that's it. Your Left University Life event is now live on your profile for your friends and family to see. It's a quick and easy way to share an important chapter of your life. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and share it with others who might find it useful. See you in the next tutorial.